RX 931. So many people just dying.
Going crazy.
Literally dying.
They're actually like getting mad at us. They're like,
I know,
hello.
what the God.
You guys keep hyping it. Where are they? Are they even real?
Well, they are here with us right now for our interview.
Oh my gosh.
We're talking to Alden Richards and Maine Mendoza. Hey guys!
Hello.
Hi.
Oh my gosh. It's really them.
How are you?
I know. Oh my goodness, we're so excited.
We're so good. How are you guys doing?
We're good.
Oh, I'm getting kilig.
I listen to RX. We are monsters.
Yeah! Oh my goodness, we
That's
love
what
that
we
about
wanna
you.
hear.
I know. First of all, we just want to say congratulations to you guys for the success of Imagine You and Me. Oh my gosh.
It's such a like.
Have you guys seen the film?
It's huge.
It's
We will.
huge. We will. Promise. Like.
Thank you.
Promise.
Yes,
Go
talaga.
watch the film, please. Watch it
Yes.
again. It's very good.
I'm sure so many people have
I know.
watched
I
it
saw
like
the
so many
trailer.
times.
Sobrang kilig.
Kinikilig ako kay Min. Ang galing mo, Min. Like, panay na panay ako, girl.
Saang banda? Saang banda?
Saan? Sige, mamaya. Talk tayo.
From head to toe.
Ngiti pa lang eh.
Oo naman.
Okay.
No, pero grabe. Sobra. All your fans are just sobrang kilig. Like,
Yup.
we're trending also on Twitter for this interview in particular because they have so many questions for you guys.
Yes, and we have noted some down, so get ready ah. Medyo
Nako.
intimate to.
Wild and Wicked pa naman yung name ng show. So sabi na, nako, let's make this Wild and Wicked now.
Anniversary pa naman nila tomorrow. O, diba? Ready na ba kayo?
Yeah.
Alden, pawis ka na ba? Nervous.
Kami, actually.
For tomorrow.
Oh, you're rehearsing for tomorrow.
Ah.
So medyo hinila natin sila from their rehearsal.
Okay.
So we'll make it worth your time.
Okay, we will. First of all, the movie, syempre, there are scenes in Italy.
I know.
So guys, was it your first time in Italy together?
Yes.
First time.
First time.
Ay, okay.
First time.
And ito yung pinaka-important question coming from me. Nag-gelato ba kayo? Oh my gosh, masarap pa talaga.
Hindi pwedeng mawala yun.
I'm so jealous.
Talaga. Eh, mga pasta nila, kumusta
Parang
naman?
ayaw na namin mag-ice cream dito.
Ay, ganun.
Yes.
Wala
Ano
na.
yung mukha doon?
Taray. Min, taray naman. Haba ng hair mo hanggang EDSA na. Habulin.
Mahaba talaga.
Okay.
No, pero how was it? How's the experience of, being in a foreign country
Yes.
together?
Fun, masaya. Kasi
Masaya. First time din kasi namin.
First time namin together, and then it's our first time to shoot a movie together. It's also my first time. So, kumbaga, it didn't feel parang awkward or it doesn't feel work when we were in Italy.
Kasi mag-enjoy ko.
Yes.
Kasi production doon, talagang parang family na yung trato namin.
Oo.
So talagang we had a good time together.
Exactly. And while we were watching the film nung premiere night, parang nakakasepang kasi we missed the shoot, everyone, the Italian crew, the Italian production team. So
Ay, lalo na yung Como. Sobrang
Yes.
ganda doon sa pinagkita.
guys, you have to see Como before anything else.
Before we die, we will.
Yeah. Hashtag tips from Alden.
Oo nga
O,
eh.
diba?
Pero, what was, the most memorable thing you guys did while you were in Italy na hindi kasali doon sa movie? Na, you
Yes.
just did lang together for fun.
Ayun na.
Yun talaga.
Sa yung tanong, yung mga ginagawa namin off-cam,
Yes.
the most
Yes.
memorable thing.
Together. Kumbaga, without anyone, without cameras.
Ba't ako
Kumbaga,
kinikilig?
the things we do off-cam, that's what was really, kumbaga, yung mga work.
Aww.
Napaka-vague
I
actually.
know. We're
Things we do
imagining the
off-cam.
two of you talaga.
Oo nga. Ang sweet naman.
Imagine it.
I love it. All right, guys. Now, tomorrow is your anniversary. So, congratulations again. A whole
Happy
year
anniversary.
has passed. Happy anniversary. Grabe. Okay, now, question namin. In 1 year, ano ang mga natutunan mo from each other? Oh, di ba?
Natutunan from each other kay Alden, parang wala ko natutunan.
Girl, kailangan natin i-guess si Min.
No.
Kabarkada talaga. Attitude pala. Ang game na.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, yeah.
No, but I mean, what have you learned?
Basically kasi if you met someone and then you lasted for 1 year, daming nang nangyari, and daming yung experiences together, good, bad, happy, sad. Kumbaga, there has been a test of character in both of us. So, kumbaga, when we were together, we discovered our weaknesses, our strengths. Pero, kumbaga, the journey is fulfilling kasi it made us a better person now.
Oh, see you.
Bata ka.
But speaking of it being a test of character, you mentioned yung mga sad moments. Also,
Yes.
aside from the happy ones, sa mga pagtatampuhan, like hindi mo iwasan yon, diba? Since you're around each other all the time. Sino yung mas madalas na magtampo sa inyo? Tapos paano nyo inaamo yung nagtatampo?
Yes.
Well, kasi yun nga.
Well.
Oh, go.
Ako ang magsasalita. Kasi ako yung mas madalas magtampo yata. Kasi itong si Alden nakikisabay.
Siya yung tipong, are you mad? Tapos hindi mo papansin. Tapos hindi na rin siya magsasalita.
I love it. I love it.
Yes, kumbaga kasi I'm used to whenever I have a misunderstanding with someone, sometimes I really don't know what to do. I'm really bad handling those kinds of situations. Pero parang we came to an understanding na parang as much as possible, wag patatagalin yung mga ganung klaseng instances. Kasi di ba, parang it's not healthy. Kumbaga, hoy, wag mo akong pusan! Kung ko ng tubig. So, yun, kumbaga parang it's healthier kung if we talk about it kasi lahat naman nakukuha sa usapan and kumbaga we, as much as possible after those kinds of misunderstanding, we learn something from it. Parang hindi na ulit.
You learn not to mess with Maine again.
You learn to keep quiet, smile, and then you just hug, diba? Oh, everything's better. O, diba? Ganun lang yan, Alden. Simple lang pag girl.
Oo
We just want to
naman.
feel the love. We just want the hug.
It's 3 against 1 here. Come on, guys.
Hindi kami sensitive. We're just, all out with our hearts.
Exactly.
Diba?
Yun lang naman sa konting lambing na makukuha ka.
O,
agad.
diba? Konting lambing lang. My God.
Sorry, but Alden, that's the truth. Okay, we have a couple of questions actually from your fans. So quick lang to From at K Rashi asking, give 3 adjectives that best describe each other.
Okay.
Go.
Siyempre, si Alden Higit. Gentleman and caring. Ayan.
Aww. Mukha naman eh. Oy. Kilig mo siya.
Fun.
Fun.
Always makes me happy. And always there to listen.
Talaga,
Aww.
happy.
Patingin ng making you happy.
Am I making you happy?
Patingin ng making you happy.
You guys sound like an old married couple na, how you guys make sagot each other. Ang cute talaga. Okay, so again, your anniversary is tomorrow. How would you describe the past year in 1 word lang? That's from at Nicole, by the way.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Ako, it's a miracle.
It's a miracle. Baka you mean it's a miracle. Ay! Ang kulit ko. Ayoko na. Guys. Nakakahiya ang sarili ko. Okay, wait. At BetsyNess24 asks, if a genie could grant you 1 wish for each other, what would you wish for the other person and why? O, diba? Pang beauty pageant.
Oo nga eh.
Siguro sa akin, na sana happy ka palagi.
Bakit? Ganun. Bakit? Bakit gusto mo happy?
Well, ako, the same happiness and siguro...
Good health, ang lakas ng kadebuha.
Good
80 roses lang. We have
Ano ba?
Ano?
Well, kasi ganun lang naman talaga if you care for someone, you always wish them well, you always wish them to be happy, ganyan. Kasi that goes to everyone kumbaga.
Tsaka syempre with your schedule, good health talaga is very, very important.
Mm-hmm.
Diba?
Yes, oo naman. Sobrang busy, lalo na yung si Alden.
Hindi naman.
Magpapakadebu na ako dito. Good health.
Good health, sana lagi kang masaya. Yan.
We have a question from Dency. Dency says, ano daw yung huling ginawa ni Alden na sobrang sweet for you?
Yes.
Well, kanina kasi sa may pakiramdam ko, so minasahin na yung ulo ko and sobrang appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh my God. Sa history ni Alden. Perfect ka na, bro.
Sideline ko.
Mahal-mahal na kasi ng bilang
Oo nga
ngayon.
eh.
O yan, may sideline na siya.
Yeah.
Eh si May naman, ano yung pinaka-sweet na ginawa for you, Alden?
Well, ako talaga, I really appreciate when she listens to me whenever I have something, something's bothering me. She's always there to listen, to give me advice. And the good thing about her kasi, kumbaga, she keeps the kumbaga pinapacool mo naman yung situation before she tells me to do something about it. And talaga we're like that. If someone has problems, sasabihan si ganito or sasabihan si another. So, it's a healthy and healthy relationship.
Aww, I love it. I love it. All right. Now, if you were to vacation together, na vacation lang talaga, not for work, what's your dream destination na magkasama kayo and why? Anywhere in the world, ah.
Gusto kong dalhin si Alden sa Tibet. Sorry.
Tapos iiwanan mo? Ano ba to? Main. Why?
Favorite ko ang New York.
Yeah.
Dalhin ko sa
Yes, ako naman sa France.
Joke lang masagot.
Joke lang. Hindi. I've always been in love with Japan.
Japan.
So intact and the people are so nice. That's where I take her.
Ay, how nice. Oh, this one from Guillermo Pascasio, who asks, who's clingier? Alden or Maine? Clingy daw.
Clingy?
Ayaw mo namin.
Oo. Sino yung mas madalas mag-text?
Ayan. Oh, yun na lang. Ay? Guys?
Quick lang in a way.
Quick lang.
Quick lang. Wala namang sobrang clingy with one
Ganun naman talaga, di ba? Kapag ikaw yung huling nag-message nung gabi, the next day, dapat yung isa yung mauuna. Di ba? Ganun naman yun eh. Yun lang yun.
So, kaninang umaga, sino nag-text ng good morning first? Ang Diyos mo.
Yung assistant ko, yung
Ay, wow. Thanks, guys. I was getting the kilig vibes na like, bumubuelta na siya tapos biglang, ay.
Panira ba?
Thanks, guys.
Oy, ito, medyo wild and wicked question naman since wild and wicked yung show. Ano daw, which body part do you find sexiest sa isa't isa?
Ayun.
Yun eh, body parts na to eh.
Excited ako. Wait, moment of silence. Go.
Yung bicep ni Alden.
Boy!
Ako, the eyes.
Oo, grabe. Iba talaga pag sobrang expressive.
Yes.
My
Have you
goodness.
seen, Maine's
Yes.
eyes
Oo
are
naman.
like, grabe.
Oh my gosh.
Parang tiger. Oh, yeah.
tingin pa lang.
Ako rin na in love.
Makuha ka sa tingin. Oo, exactly.
Okay, well, guys, I want to ask more wild ones. Feel ba? Pawis na sila.
It's rated G, so we have to do it.
No, actually, this is my question lang for Maine. Because I really want to know Maine and a lot of them want to know as well. Siyempre, it's been a year. You came from a very low-key life, very chill, parang non-showbiz yung life mo. Then in a year, my goodness, every day, may taping ka, may shoots ka, may kung ano-ano. You even went off to Italy. Kamusta naman yung change na yon? Parang for you. How was it?
Well, nung una nabigla ako, pero ngayon kasi nasasanay na ako, I got the hang of it. So, parang,
Sa tingin ng hang.
ano kasi ako, na parang, well, kasi nag-enjoy kasi ako sa ginagawa ko. So, hindi ko masyado napapansin yung bigat ng trabaho, yung pagod. So, ganun. Masaya naman eh.
Tsaka iba rin ba talaga yung may kasama ka, like the whole, di ba, the whole way, na
Oo
hindi
nga.
lang ikaw,
Oo.
but together kayo.
Together kami, oo. So, journey na to.
Everything naman kasi is a learning experience eh. So somehow, kahit sabihin mo at first hindi mo siya magugustuhan, eventually you will fall in love with it eh. Parang that's what happened to me when I started. Di ko naman gusto mag-artista. My mom really wanted this for me. And then eventually I fell in love with, being an artist, being an actor.
What else? Can you guys please drop by?
I know, you guys. We love talking to you. Like, we wish we could, end the show with you till
Oh,
11. Pero we know you're rehearsing.
Oo nga eh.
So, I know na you have something special prepared for everyone for your anniversary tomorrow. So, would you like to talk to all your fans? Because they're tuned in. Nakatutok sila lahat right now.
Of course.
Hi, hello. Yes, to everyone who's listening, of course, to the Aldab Nation, thank you for making the trend Aldab. What's the hashtag again? Aldab RX.
Aldab on RX 931.
Aldab on our RX 91. Thank you. And, of course, dun pa sa mga hindi nakakapanood ng movie, we're inviting you to watch Imagine You and Me, out now in theaters nationwide. And, bukas.
Ay, bukas. Ayan, first year anniversary ng album. Tutukan niyo ang talaga kasi marami kaming inihandang sorpresa para sa inyo.
Always full of surprises.
Yes. Life is like a box of chocolate.
You'll never know what you're gonna get.
Ay, cute! Ang galing nun! I know, you guys, thank you so much and congratulations once again. More power to Aldab.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Take care.
Bye.
Bye!